this is Shelly from Frugal Family Home, and today I have an easy homemade brownie recipe for you from scratch. And it's simple, delicious, they're crackly on top and nice and chewy and moist in the center. So let's get started. I'll show you how to make. Adding the butter to the bowl. Here I'm using some butter and coconut oil. And the next item we'll add is cocoa powder and the eggs and the sugar. And then we'll give that a good stir to incorporate it really well. And now we'll add the salt and the vanilla, as well as the flour. And now I'm just going to fold that in with a spatula to make sure all the flour is moistened well. And now we're going to place it into our baking dish. We'll smooth it out and then get ready to place it in the oven. Now we have them in the pan. We're going to bake at 350 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes until they are baked and a little bit soft in the middle. Here's our brownies all baked and ready to enjoy. Don't they just look so delicious? And that's how you can make homemade brownies from scratch. And if you'd like the full printable recipe, you can find it in the description. Be sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and be sure to click on the little bell so you'll be notified when we have new videos. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.